If you're a town commuter, remember mileage for next service is given basing on the vehicle speed and the vehicle movement mileage, not the engine mileage.
Made in Germany. Das war mal ein Begriff. Die Welt hat uns bewundert. Für unsere Produkte, für unseren Erfindungsreichtum, die natürlich entspringt aus einem vernünftigen Bildungssystem.
Today we're going to be tackling a very crucial situation, and it is underlooked by different mechanics, car owners and workshops. The festive season, your life is very important to us and to your family, and this is why we are here to get you ready for the festive season. While we are approaching this festive season, it is very key to know that service, our main focus today is when you are going to perform the service, which doesn't include only the engine oil. You have to know that various factors have to be involved. Now, your mechanic tells you we are going to use the 5W30, which is the Castro Edge. Oil quality and the nature or the age of your engine is really important to be taken into consideration. So now the main focus is when you are given this type of oil or this oil, which is fully synthetic, and it's 5W30, which means 5 degrees in the winter and 30 degrees in the summer. That is the viscosity index of engine oil, though we are not going to go into that. So now let's dive into the point. When you are using, or the mechanic is using engine oil which is fully synthetic, and it is estimated to run 10,000 kilometers, it is very crucial if you're a town commuter or an urban commuter to not go for the 10,000 mileage on the service card or for the next mileage. It is very important that you go for around 8,000 mileage, which is your next service, instead of the 10,000. Why? For example, if you're a town commuter, remember mileage for next service is given basing on the vehicle speed and the vehicle movement mileage, not the engine mileage. This seems like a simple thing, but it's very key for your engine. Remember, engine revolution or engine speed is measured by RPM, which is revolution per minute, which is being displayed on your vehicle tachometer or the instrument cluster. That gauge on the instrument cluster, which runs and has a calibration of R per 1000. That's the engine speed, and when the speed of the engine is determined by that RPM, minutes, rev per minute, it means that the engine will be revving in traffic, or when you're driving in traffic and you're in a traffic lights, the engine will be in continuous motion and rotation, but the vehicle would be stopped. That means that the actual mileage that your mechanic gave you on the service tag is not actual, in that the vehicle is stationary but the engine is running. That means engine oil is chemically being broken down by heat and other parameters which are affecting the engine oil performance while it is being acted upon by heat and other chemicals that may be within the engine. So now, if the mechanic had given you 10,000 kilometers but you're a city commuter, it means whenever you're on traffic and the vehicle is stationary, that actual mileage will not be realized. So mileage would go faster since the engine oil is broken down faster, and you will not realize the actual mileage. Then if you be waiting for that mileage to happen on the service tag, it will not be actual, and the engine will be suffering the wear and tear and the heat dissipation within the oil. So that means engine oil life will be wearing at a very fast rate than the actual mileage. Now, if you are not a town commuter and you are upcountry commuter, it means that you will be driving the actual mileage, since for away from town you will not be experiencing much traffic, which would cause the vehicle to be in traffic lights, whereby the engine will be running but the vehicle will not be running. So this is a serious advice for you. While we are approaching the festive season, you have to consider this very, very much, and it has to be taken under consideration. So make sure that you have a keen eye on that, whereby engine oil is broken down more oftenly or more than it is for the upcountry commuters. So we on Mugalo the car guy. Don't forget that we fix BMW, Mercedes-Benz and hybrid vehicles, and not forgetting that we have more information for you. Put it down in the comment section, like, comment, subscribe, and give in your feedback so that we can make more video tailored for you, because your life matters and you do not need to own a car to know about a car we out. This is Shell Helix Ultra 5W40, which is fully synthetic motor oil, and this is Castrol Edge 5W40 for gasoline, diesel and hybrid vehicles. So this is also a fully synthetic engine oil, and that's not the main focus.